Diversity is the spice of life. So if you eat a diverse diet, then you grow healthy. You may not need a lot of medication, so you make your food become your medicine, and your medicine becomes your food. So that is the old saying. So we trying to show this here exactly how it balances. Biodiversity above is proportionate to biodiversity under. So whenever you're doing monoculture, you're only growing one of a single species. But you are missing all the other elements and all the other nutrients. So very important for us to keep diverse environments and eat diverse foods. So within this food forest, we have now a new function where we're training farmers that this is actually the source for our native microbes, because we are able to collect leaves that we use to inoculate our biofertilizer, and as a source of the native microbes within our bokashi making process. So it is important to keep some natural area within your farming system or within your garden, because this is where nature expresses itself. We have the relationship of between birds, insects, worms, and microorganisms. And remember, you can kill all this biodiversity here through your farming system, which is not good. But something very important down here, that we have microorganisms that are native to this place and have existed here for millions and millions of years. So this farming system enables us to use these microorganisms to invigorate our plants, because there's a relationship between the microorganisms and how plants take their nutrients. This is the unit where we have a variety of animals. We have rabbits, we also have goats, and this is where we collect their droppings as well as their urine, so that we integrate in our fertilizers. One of our greatest fertilizer is the bokashi, and we've integrated these animals here so that we can be able to show how you can recycle and just create your own farm inputs within a one system. We advocate for multiple elements within a food forest. For example, we have trees like mahamia, we have trees like grevillea, we have fruit trees, and all these have multiple functions. For example, we say it is good to have trees like grevillea and mahamia because they are fast growing as compared to eucalyptus, which we cannot use their leaves because they have allelopathy effect and the leaves are very acidic. We can be able to use the leaves of grevillea in our biofertilizer. We can also be able to use the leaves of mahamia in our biofertilizer, and that provides farmer a wide choice of alternatives when they are thinking about their inputs. So these are examples of a closed food system where farmers can be able to take charge of their future, where we have zero inputs and we have high productivity, high diversity, and it's good for our planet, it's good for our health, and we feel that these examples actually can mitigate against the climate change in the whole world.